Something else I like to keep in my bag is a minimal amount of electronics. I have a couple of cords to show you. This one, and I use only Anchor products. I have tried off-brand cords and aftermarket cords, and I have just found that they're not consistent in performing well. Have you ever plugged something in and you look down and it says not charging? That's typically because it's just not a compatible cord for your device. So I always use Anchor. This is just a little silicone wrap that I use to keep my cords organized. So when I reach into my bag, I'm reaching for this and not this. So that's just something else I keep in my bag. This is an Anchor multi-plug. What does that mean? I can plug this into my USB-A charging, and I have that right here. That's a USB-A. So you just plug this in, but then it allows me to charge multiple things with different connection pins. So this is a USB-C. So if I have something that is a USB-C charged item, I can just put that on here and charge that item. If it is one of these micro USBs, I can just plug it into that. If it is a lightning, put this over that, and I have a lightning charger for my phone, iPad, AirPods, whatever you have. So I find this really handy to have, that this one cord can charge multiple things. Most airlines will give you a USB-A charging port. Some of the newer ones have an A and a C, and some even have a C. So my next purchase will probably be one of these multi-plugs with a C connector. But I have found this super handy. Something else, another cord I like to take is USB-C to USB-C. On most international adapters, you will have a USB-A and a USB-C port. And so I'll use this in the USB-A port, and I'll use this in the USB-C port because I have multiple things I can charge with USB-C. My iPad mini, my speakers, my sound machine, all of those use a type C connector. Some other electronics that have a place in my bag. This is the power plug I normally take with me because it has a foldable connector here, so I can fold it out of the way. It doesn't, when it's in my bag, it's not snagging on anything because I can fold it up. And then on this side, I have USB-A and USB-C plugs. So like I mentioned before, with just these two plugs and this power brick, I can charge multiple things. Another electronic item I like to keep in my bag is this little portable charger for my phone. This is a Apple Lightning connector. They also have them now with a USB-C connector. And what this does is you just plug it into your phone like this, and then you can use it while you're walking around. So it's not super heavy. It does have a little weight to it, but it's not super heavy. It's a lot less weight than carrying around the power brick and the cord. It's just easier. So I'll keep this in my day pack or my fanny pack or my in-flight essentials bag. This usually comes in my everyday carry bag when I'm not traveling. So I always have this with me because it's instant power and it charges super fast. This one also has a little kickstand. So if I want to use this on the plane and I want to charge my phone and watch a show, I can do that as well with this little kickstand. These are, I will put the links for all of these things down in the description. This comes in various different vendors. So we like Anchor products, but iWalk also makes one, and it also does a really good job. So find one that works for you. Make sure the connectivity works for you. But this is why this item has a place in my bag.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the Points and Miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.